In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change ownership in Smartsheet step by step. If you need to transfer control of a sheet to someone else, whether it's a teammate, a manager, or a client, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and clear way. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Smartsheet tutorials and productivity tips. Let's get started. First, log into your Smartsheet account and open the sheet where you want to change ownership. You can do this from your home dashboard, your recent files list, or your workspace. Once you're inside the correct sheet, make sure you're viewing the main grid or sheet view so you can access the sharing settings properly. Now that you're inside the sheet, go to the top right corner and click on the Share button. This opens the sharing panel, where you can see who currently has access to the sheet and what permission level they have. In order to transfer ownership, the person must already have access to the sheet, or you'll need to add them. Inside the sharing panel, click on the option that says Access to this sheet only. This ensures you're modifying permissions specifically for this sheet and not affecting other workspace level permissions. It's important to confirm you're editing the correct access level before making changes. If the person you want to transfer ownership to is not listed yet, go ahead and add them. Enter their email address in the invite field and send the invitation. Make sure you use the correct email address associated with their Smartsheet account. Once they're added, you'll see their name appear in the list of collaborators. Next, locate their name in the sharing list. You'll see a drop-down next to their current permission level. Click on that drop-down and change their role to admin. This step is required because only someone with admin permissions can be promoted to owner. Confirm that their access level now shows as admin before moving forward. After setting them as admin, click on the admin label or drop-down again. In the Permissions menu, you should now see the option to make them the owner of the sheet. Select the option to transfer ownership. Smartsheet may prompt you to confirm this action, since transferring ownership will make the other person the primary owner, and you will no longer have owner-level control. Carefully review the confirmation message, then proceed with the transfer. Once completed, the new owner will officially have ownership of the sheet. You may remain as an admin or editor, depending on how permissions are configured after the transfer. Finally, click Share again to double-check the updated permissions. You should now see that the new person is listed as the owner. This confirms that the ownership change was successful. And that's it. That's how you change ownership in Smartsheet quickly and correctly. Transferring ownership is especially useful when handing off projects, reorganizing teams, or managing account transitions. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.